Welcome back to the part 2 video of DC motor, and today we're going to learn about how we can control the DC motor speed by using a potentiometer and think a cat. So let's start it without wasting any time. So I'm going to create a circuit. Okay, and meanwhile don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell icon so you can stay updated with my trend. Thank you. So now you can see it. I am at my work plane here. So I'm going to repeat the same circuit last class which I have done, and then I will do the connection with the potentiometer. Let's do that. So I'll be not explaining too much about the previous video. If you wanted, you can go and look for the previous video. At the top you can see this icon, and there you can click and you can go to the previous video and you can watch it. Okay, let's do that. So I'll be taking a DC motor and the battery and the slide switch. Then I'm flipping the batteries and connecting to the wire, and let's connect to the wire. Changes the wire color, and now it's time to connect the switch with the battery and the motor. So I have connected the switch. Then you can see, so this is the last class circuit where we have connected a DC motor with the switch and battery, and you can see the when I'm clicking start simulation, my motor is rotating at a fixed speed of 17,568 rpm. So now I don't want that much speed. I need to reduce the speed by using a potentiometer. So let's do that. Okay, so let's stop the simulation and go back to the our component drawer, and I'm taking the component called potentiometer and bringing it to my work plane here. Okay, let's see, I can keep just left to the motor. Okay, so let's remove this wire, click on the wire and delete it. Now let's click on this potentiometer terminal 2 and connect to the DC motors negative terminal 1. Okay, then I'm connecting the middle of potentiometer to the switch middle. Okay, like this. So here we have done our connection. Let's change the resistance of this potentiometer. I'm checking this while clicking on this potentiometer. I can see the how much resistance value it has. So now let's see, it's having 250 kilo ohms, which we don't need it here. It's too much for the small DC motor. Let's keep it minimum. Okay, and I'm taking a 10 kilo ohms here. Okay, so I have set it the 10 kilo ohms for this. Now if you just click on this potentiometer, you can see the resistance value is now 10 kilo ohm fixed. Okay, so everything is fine, and it's a moment of truth. We're going to see that if the motor speed getting controlled by potentiometer or not. Let's see that. So let's click on this start simulation and see what is happening here. Our DC motor is rotating at a 112 rpm. Let's increase the speed of DC motor, and you can see I can increase the speed of. Okay, so I can decrease the speed of my. Let's zoom it and we can see. So now at initial my speed of rotation is 112 rpm. Okay, now let's in getting in we can increase the speed, and you can see it's increasing my speed of DC motor now 214, and it's going faster and faster, and at maximum 17,432. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial, and see you in third part of DC motor, where we're going to learn how we can change the rotation and clockwise, anti-clockwise of DC motor by using switch. Okay, let's see you in the next video, and bye bye, take care, and happy tinkering. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a nice, great day.